Imagine building a car, but everyone calls the parts by different names. That's how clinical research data used to be. Everyone had their own system. However, CDISC changed this by creating a universal language for clinical trial data. Now, a simple entry like blood pressure is clear and consistent across systems. This shared framework speeds development and approval by cutting delays and errors, so regulators like the FDA and EMA can review submissions faster and get life-saving drugs to patients sooner. More than a set of rules, CDISC offers a clear roadmap from data capture through analysis, boosting clarity and confidence at every step. CDISC provides a toolkit for every trial stage, PRM for study blueprints, CDASH for uniform data capture, SDTM and SEND for organizing human and animal data into domains like demographics and adverse events, ADAM for analysis-ready datasets, controlled terminology as the official dictionary, and exchange formats such as ODM-XML and Define-XML for seamless data transfer. Together, these standards ensure data is clean, organized, and review-ready without confusion. Before these standards, data formats varied wildly, leading to months of errors, manual cleanup, and delayed approvals. With standardization and automation, data is collected consistently from the outset, validated automatically and processed with fewer manual steps. So reviewers know exactly where to look and approvals move ahead more quickly. This efficiency builds trust, safeguards data integrity, and accelerates timelines for companies, regulators, and patients alike. A common mistake is treating CDISC as just a final formatting step instead of integrating it from day one. Plan CDISC into your protocol and data capture, invest in training to build fluency, and avoid custom tweaks. Stick to standard domains and terminology. Always validate early with specialized tools as skipping checks risks submissions, and perform regular cleanups to stay compliant. By planning, training, and validating from the start, you'll avoid costly mistakes and keep data flowing for patients who need new treatments. Adopting CDISC starts with a gap audit followed by a pilot with 1 or 2 studies to test your workflow. Next, invest in training. Everyone needs to understand the CDISC models and how to apply them. Choose software that supports these standards and models, from data capture to validation. Establish clear standard operating procedures to ensure consistency, and finally, create a governance team to keep your organization up to date and on track. Successful adoption is about people, processes, and the right tools. With a step-by-step approach, CDISC becomes manageable and effective. If you're ready to streamline your next clinical trial, Quanticate's team of experts is here to help. From gap audits and pilot mappings to full CDISC implementation and validation, contact us at inquiries@quanticate.com to see how we can accelerate your study timelines, reduce risk, and ensure regulatory success.